Now the topic before us is cybersecurity is a broad concept. Cybersecurity is a broad concept that includes specialized areas including network security, web security, wireless network security, and mobile security. If we implement security measures across these areas, the organizations can enhance their overall security posture and the organizations can protect their digital assets effectively. Cybersecurity measures also include incident response plan and compliance with laws and regulations. Now, first of all, we will discuss network security. What is the meaning of network security? Network security refers to the protection of computer networks and the data they store or transmit from unauthorized access, modification, or destruction. Here are some key aspects of network security, or in other words, we can say that we will now discuss various network security measures which the organizations can take to protect their networks from cyber attacks. First is network access control. As the name depicts, access control mechanisms ensure that only authorized individuals or devices can access the network resources. For that purpose, we can implement strong authentication methods like opting for strong passwords, multi-factor authentication, digital certificates, and role-based access control. Next point is network segmentation. Network segmentation is the process of dividing a network into smaller and isolated segments. By network segmentation, the spread of malware or unauthorized access can be contained and restricted. Network segmentation minimizes the impact of security breach. Next network security measure which we can take is firewalls. A firewall is a device or a service that acts as a gatekeeper for the network. It decides which packets of data should be allowed to pass through and which one should be blocked based on the predefined security rules. A firewall can be a hardware, software, or both. Next is virtual private network. It is a technology that provides secure and encrypted connection over the internet. VPN masks your IP address. VPN allows users to browse the internet privately. VPN creates an encrypted tunnel so that data transmitted between devices is protected from eavesdropping. You can see here that a tunnel has been created. VPNs are commonly used to enhance privacy, security, and anonymity when accessing the internet or connecting to private networks. Security awareness and training. This is one of the main measures which we can take to protect our network from cyber attacks. Human factors play a significant role in network security. We should educate our employees about best security practices such as use of strong passwords. We should make them aware of phishing attacks as well as social engineering attacks, and we should make them aware of safe browsing habits. This type of employee education and training greatly enhances the overall network security. Next point is intrusion detection and prevention system. Deploying intrusion detection and prevention system helps in monitoring network traffic for suspicious or malicious activity and taking immediate action to prevent and block identified threats. Some organizations use IDS. IDS means intrusion detection system. The purpose of this system is only to detect any malicious activity. Some organizations use IPS, intrusion prevention system. Its purpose is to take immediate action to prevent and block suspicious activities. And IDPS is the improvement over both. It performs both the functions of both IDS and IPS. Now, the next security measure to protect our networks is backup and disaster recovery. It may happen that a cyber attack may be there on our network. For that, we should already be prepared and we should have regular data backups and disaster recovery plans which are vital for network security. Next is regulatory compliance. Organizations often have to comply with specific industry regulations or data protection laws and privacy requirements. Network security measures of the organizations must align with these requirements to protect sensitive data and maintain legal and regulatory compliance. These aspects or measures which we have discussed form a holistic approach to network security. The aim of all these network security measures is to protect network infrastructure, data, and resources from various threats and weaknesses. We may add that we have already uploaded many courses such as tips for crafting engaging speeches, good communication skills, how to manage stress, job application format, unlocking the power of mental wellness, mastering Heron's formula, most common mistakes in English grammar, 13 useful resume writing tips, what must be in your CV, resume or biodata, past tense, future tense, and many more. You can also look out for the same. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.